Hello everyone, my name is Jackson. I'm going to be showing off how to install my latest mod called Party Finder, which is a server browser mod for the game Machine Party. The first thing you want to do is to install the Machine Party mod loader installer. All links for these mods will be in the link in the description. So what we want to do is go to Releases, install the installer exe, save it, open it up, more info, run anyway. I'll give you a pop-up if you want to say yes. And what we want to do is go to Steam, browse local files, open up Machine Party Windows, copy this path, browse, and we're just gonna paste this in. You want to make sure to do this every time you install the mod loader, because even though it says it'll have your path, it's usually wrong, and then it won't work, and you'll be like, why is this not working? So I'm gonna press next, install. Once you're finished, we'll go to our search tab and search up modded. Open up Machine Party modded. Let that load up, and you'll have the modded installed. Next thing you want to do is go to my mod, Machine Party Finder, which will also be in the description as well. And we're going to Releases, install the zip. Once you install that zip file, what you're going to be doing is going to your game directory and then going to your downloads folder and getting that zip. Drag and put it in mods. You don't have to extract it, you just put it in the zip file, and then that will just be in your mods folder, and then the mods are completely installed. So how to play this mod is just searching it modded, opening it up. Now it'll say restart. Sometimes you get your mouse shut. You're pressing start now, and it will not load. I don't know why, but pressing restart now does not load your mod. You then have to close it again. You search up modded, and it should work just like that. Start, join, and there we go. You have your server browser mod. Now, with the server browser mod, you have your close, refresh, paste, join. So you can fully play with players that are unmodded. So let's say your friend says, you know what, I don't want to install this server browser mod. I just want to play with you. And they make a server and they give you the code. You can join them just like that. Steam isn't really connected fully, so doing invite if you made a regular server, or pressing the shift tab will not show Steam. Okay, it's slightly disconnected, but you can still play over Steam servers. This mod works over Steam servers and just adds extra things. So the server browser, you can close it out, and it places the join button with the join from lobby code. You can still put in your lobby code here. You can paste it. I just pasted my directory. You can join that if you had it. Not valid. And if there's players making lobbies, you'll see a lobby and the players in it, and you can refresh. When you host, I'll show you that. And I know there's not really any lobbies. We have to make this popular for it to be useful. If no one is using the mod, then there's no point in using it at all. So make sure you install the mod and use it. We can get some players to actually use it, and we get some players. Once you host a lobby, you'll see this little button, and you press make. You can make whatever. Make whatever. Then you can only go to 4 because that's just how the game's intended. You can make it any max. I'll say like just 2. Confirm, and only two people like able to join you. So I believe only one other person, I meant to say. And you can still copy your room ID, yada yada, but invite won't work. But yeah, it's a full done mod. It should, as far as I know, there's no bugs. I fully tested with all my friends. We saw no bugs. I would show you, the lobby list, but I don't have anyone that I know online that has the mod. But you can paste your ID, join. That one worked exactly. So yeah, mod is fully done. I hope you see this video and you install it and set it up. You have no troubles, and you share it to all your friends so we can get this to actually be fully recognized by the community, and maybe get some players to use it so we can actually have a better way to join, players, find some players. And hopefully this is also just temporary, and the devs eventually make, Mike and GD, Evid eventually make, their own server browser in the game, so we don't have to do this system. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little tutorial I made for you, and I hope you have a good day. See ya.